Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm the chair of the student council, and with me is
Anthony. I'm the secretary of the student council.
right. So we're making this little screen recording today, just to send to the rest of the student leadership bodies, like activities executive, service exec, just to discuss again the values in action program. Um, we had some representatives from each talking to us. I think 2 weeks before. Was it 2 weeks before?
Yeah.
Yeah. About what it is, and also just as a general meetup of the different student leaderships. And yeah, we're hoping that this screen recording can serve as a fast way for the rest of the individuals in the student leadership bodies to get informed. And really, what we're asking for from each is we're showing this information to you guys in advance so that when we actually do run the sessions, which is planned for the 9th of March in mentor PSE sessions, the Tuesday or Thursday blocks, that we can have some facilitators, or more precisely, students who are already knowledgeable enough about what this program does and what it is, that they're able to lead the sessions and mentor, because it is incredibly important that this is a student-led program. So just please keep that in mind. Um,
So I'll just talk
yeah,
about why the college wants to conduct this values in action. Because currently the college has a set of values which were reviewed a long time ago. And this year, because Miss Elliott came in, she wanted to review these to see if they are fit for purpose for the future. And they want to receive some feedback from the community, especially students, about what they feel are the most important values, what is missing, and how are some of the values reflected in the actions taken by the community, for example, in service and activities, etc.
right. So we've already had a few stakeholder groups that were involved in this project. Specifically, for example, we're aware that some staff already went through the program. And again, just to reiterate Anthony's point, it's really just a process of getting to know what values is important to different stakeholders like students, parents, staff, and so on. And yeah, so if we just skip through here. So this presentation actually serves as an excellent one in terms of leading the program. Ideally, we actually think that this will be the presentation that's shared with all of the mentors, and the mentors can just go through this presentation, and the program will be pretty self-explanatory based on the slides. So again, we're sharing this with you earlier in advance so that you're actually aware of what the program entails, what that mentor session will look like, so that hopefully, because you guys are more knowledgeable in it, you're able to then lead the students and guide them in terms of what they need to know. So it starts off with a 10-minute initial exploration, which is just looking at the existing UWCSCA values.
And then the next part would be when we get student feedback. So using Mentimeter, and the process is explained in the supporting documents, and along with all the logarithm stuff, you want to have the students answer a few questions relating to the values. For example, the first question is which 5 words from our current values do you connect with the most? For example, integrity or compassion, and have students answer all these questions, and then to make all the feedback into a word cloud, which you can download and put into the folder, which is attached to the supporting document that we'll share.
Right. And then again, looking at the word cloud, that would take around 20 minutes. And yeah, just Mentimeter just is able to, I guess, probe some questions to the student bodies, and that way they can answer in a way where the school is able to then collect the data regarding these values. So this is the presentation we will likely, not certainly, use when it comes to that PSE session or that mentor session. And this is a guide. This is one of the supporting documents we'll be providing, which is how the facilitation will look like, what that mentor period will look like. It's a reiteration of what um, time is, what amount of time is allotted to each part of the program, as well as the Mentimeter logs in and what Mentimeter is. So yeah, really, that's a very quick summary of what the Values in Action program is. It's again just a way for the school to collect data about its current values and potentially future values from various stakeholder groups. And once again, we're sharing this to you guys early because we're hoping that as student leaders, you'll be able to, based on knowing this information early when it comes time, and in the next few weeks when we run it in Mentor, you'll be able to lead your mentor groups respectively and sort of facilitate the discussion, facilitate the program itself. Yeah, if there's any questions, do drop us an email.
Yeah, just email East HS Student Council or any one of us.
Yeah, or any one of us. Again, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Anthony.
Yeah, so you can just email either one of us. Yep. Thank you.